Hey everybody, March 22nd. Had the camera working pretty good just a second ago, but now it's a little blurry again. So, I guess we're gonna need those parts after all. Anyhow, thanks everybody for watching. Thank you. We are now at 580 subscribers. That is so great. Getting closer to monetization. Thank you so much. Please remember to like and subscribe if you haven't already. Please leave us a comment and a suggestion. Love to hear from y'all. Thanks so much, everybody. Well, we're focusing okay right at the moment. Where we were. Anyway, it was a nice spring day today. The little birds are all excited. They got seeds and they got their salad. And they even got some mealworms. I think we're getting closer to getting some eggs. They're all happy and active. It was nice and warm today. I heard it was about 60 degrees earlier today. But of course they're calling for snow tomorrow. So we're getting spring one day at a time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Oh goodness. Bye for now.